The budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly is set to commence on 28 February and will continue for 10 working days until 13th March. The decision was finalized during the Business Advisory Committee meeting held today. Speaker Thomas A. Sangma confirmed that Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will present the state budget on 5th March. Of the total session days, 3 have been allocated for private members' business, while the remaining 7 will be dedicated to government business.
Full working days, which will conclude on the 13th of March 2025, where we will have 3 private members business and the rest 7 government business days, working days. Budget will be presented on 5th of March 2025.
The ongoing